Morning students, today we are going to solve few more problems in exercise 14.1. Already up to 7 problems completed. Now 8th problem. Problem number 8. A class teacher has the following absentee record. Class teacher has the following absentee record. The following absentee records. Following absentee record of 40 students of a class. Of 40 students of a class. Students of a class. For the whole term. For the whole term. For the whole term. Whole term. Find the mean number of days of a student was absent. Find the mean number of days student. Number of days a student was absent. Now here given values, number of days, here number of students. First interval 0 to 6, next to 6 to 10, 0 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14, 14 to 20, 20 to 28, 28 to 38, and 38 to 40. Here 0 to 6 number of students 11, 6 to 10 number of students 10, 10 to 14 7 students, 14 to 20 4 students, 20 to 28 again 4 students, 28 to 38 3 students, 38 to 41 student. Okay, this is the question. Now here I am going to find the mean of the given problem. So for that again write the table in the solution also. Solution. Number of days first column. Number of students second column. Number of students I am taking as Fi. Okay, here column intervals are 0 to 6. First interval 0 to 6. Next to 6 to 10. Next to 10 to 14, 10 to 14, 14 to 20, 14 to 20, 20 to 28, 20 to 28, 28 to 38, 38 to 40. Okay, 38 to 40. Now, Fi, what is Fi? Here for first interval 11, for second interval 10, for the third interval 7, next to 4 as given in the question, 3, next to 1. This is Fi. This is the given information in the question. Now I am finding class marks and denoting by xi. 0 plus 6 by 2, 3, 6 plus 10 by 2, 16 by 2, 8, 10 plus 14, 24 by 2, 12, 14, 34 by 2, 17, next to 28, 48 means 24, 28 plus 38, 5, 66 means 33, next to 40, 78 means 3s are 9s are 39. These are the class marks. Okay. Now I am choosing assumed mean 3 here 3. I am choosing A as assumed mean. 17 as the assumed mean. Now I am finding deviations. Deviations is equal to xi minus a. 3 minus 17 is minus 14, minus 9, 12 minus 17 minus 5, 0, 24 minus 17 7, 33 minus 17 14, 39 minus 17 22, 33 minus 17 not 14, 16 this is 16. Now I am finding di into fi. Right? There is no common multiples. These are not common multiples. That's why I am using assumed mean method. So why? Because these values are not multiples of any number. That's why I am choosing deviation method. Okay. Fi into di. 11 into minus 14 will be minus 154. Next to 10 9 the minus 90. 7 5 the minus 35. 0 here, 4 7 the 25, 3 48, 122 the 20. So this is FIDA. Now I am finding here sum of FIDA column, sum of all these values. By adding all that values, you will get minus 181, minus 181. Again summation fi here. Summation fi, by adding all fi's, you will get 40. Okay. Now I am finding the mean number of students. Mean x bar is equal to assumed mean method. What is the formula? A plus summation fi into di by summation fi only assumed mean method. So here A is what? 17. The summation FIDI minus 181 by summation FI is 40. Okay, by simplifying this, 181 by 40, if you divide it, you will get 17 minus 4.525. If you divide 181 by 40, 4.525. By subtracting, you will get 12.475. So this you can write 12.48. Therefore, the mean number of days is. Therefore, mean number of days. Mean number of days is 12.48. 12.48. Mean number of days is 12.48, for which the student was absent. Okay. Now next problem. Problem number 9. Ninth problem. Problem number 9. The following table gives the literacy rate. The following table gives literacy rate. Literacy rate in percentage. In percentage of 35 cities. 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. Mean literacy rate. You have to find mean literacy rate. Now here literacy in percentage. Literacy in percentage. Literacy rate in percentage. And here number of cities. So given as 45 to 55 first interval, 55 to 65, next is 65 to 75, 75 to 85, 75 to 85, 85 to 95. In 45 to 55, 3 cities are there. 10 cities next for the second interval. For the third interval, 11 cities. Fourth interval, 8 cities. Fifth interval, 3 cities. So we have to find the mean of the problem. Now let me do this problem. Again write the solution. And construct the table. Here first column literacy rate. And here number of cities. Number of cities we have to take as frequency. Number of cities. So I am taking this as effort. So literacy rate intervals are given here. 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85, 85 to 95, 85 to 95. And number of frequencies also given. For the first interval 3, next for 10, next to 11, next to 8, next to 3. So this is the question. So I am constructing the table to find the mean. Now we have to find class marks. Class marks denoting by xi. Class marks are denoted by xi. xi 45 plus 55. How much? 100. 100 by 2, 50. 55 plus 65. 70, 120. 120, 60. So 10 is different. So then next one 70, next one 80, next one 90. This is xi. Now I am choosing 70 as assumed mean A. Now I am finding dA, which is calculated as xi minus A. 50 minus 70 minus 20, 60 minus 70 minus 10, 0, 10, 20. Right, these are multiples of 10. So I am finding ui equal to 1 di by 10, which is h. So by dividing by 2, 10 minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Next column ui into fi. Last column ui into fi. 3 into 2 minus 6, 10 into 1 minus 10, 11 into 0, 0, 8 into 1, 8, 3 into the 6. So last column sum is denoted by fi into ui. What is the sum? Minus 6 plus 6 cancel, minus 10, 8, minus 2. Okay, and summation fi. Here summation fi will give 3, 3, 6, 16, 16, 27, so 35. Total is 35. Now got summation fi and summation fi into ui. What do you have to do? Now find the mean using the formula of step deviation method. Now mean x bar equal to, what is the formula? A plus summation fi into ui by summation fi. Here we have to use x in step deviation method. So x bar equal to, what is A value here? 70, and fi ui minus 2 by summation fi is 35 into h is 10. Okay, right. By dividing it, 5 7 is 35, 5 2 is. So x bar equal to 70 minus 4 by 7. 4 by 7 means 0. 75 is 35, 7 is 40. Okay, 0.5. So 0.5. By subtracting 0.5, it will be 60. 0.57. One more decimal quantity if you find, by 0.57. So from 70, 0.00, and subtracting 0.57. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Here 9 minus 5, 4. Here 9, 69. 69.4. 69.4. So therefore the mean literacy rate is Therefore mean literacy rate is, therefore mean literacy rate is 69.42. Okay, so in this way you can solve remaining problems.